Okay, in this video I'm going to discuss how to use the Red Flag Fraud Examiner tool version 3.1.0. Basically, this has a lot of additional tools that can be applied to your data sets. So in this video I figured I would pick out a few other states on the COVID-19 numbers. And this one here is the state of Florida. Beautiful state of Florida. Going to run a duplicates check on there. And what this shows is this is your statistical mode. This is the digit that occurs the most. This is descending order. So this digit 1 occurred the most 36 times. This data can be filtered ascending or descending based on the quantity of occurrences or the actual descending or ascending of the actual numbers in the set. And if there were negative digits in the number set, you'd have the selector here to select the negative data set and run the same tools. You can run Benford's on the first three digits. Again, the only thing that's changed here is the second row of options has been removed, and you would make your selection over here if there was negative data. So we'll run it on the second digit, 352 records. Again, this is the state of Florida COVID-19 data set that was taken out of the larger sample that we used in prior videos. This is the third digit, and as I disclosed in the prior video, we dug into why the third digit was so random looking by adding some other tools to the box. This is a statistical toolbox. It gives you the different statistical measurements. Total subject count is the total. In this case, subject is the COVID-19 deaths. So this is the total deaths in the sample. And the range on the data set is from 1 to 989. The mean on the data set is 208. The median, which is the middle of the range, the middle of the data set is 176. Standard deviation and an odd and even count. These should be, as your data sets get larger and large enough, these should be very close. This does probably approach 50-50. It's never really actually perfect, but it's usually, because of the probability, they're usually pretty close. Orders of magnitude tool, you can apply it to your data set. Again, the zero order of magnitude is 10 to the 0 power, which is 1, so it gives you the single digits. There's 79 of those. 10 to the first power is 10, so it gives you the tens between 10 and 99. Gives you the quantity of those digits. 10 squared is 100, and goes from 100 to 999. There's 167 of those, and if you add this up, it totals the record count of 352. You can reset all the tools from here, and as you use the tools, you get an updated relative risk score, which again we'll go over later when we get some number sets that you would actually have the advantage of this part of the tool. But for now, that's basically how you would use the tool. So what I'll do now is I'll load up another test file that I have that has financial statements or something, and it has positive and negative numbers. And here you see the opportunity here to select the negative numbers. Reset all the tools. Run a duplicates check. A lot less duplicates. A lot smaller set too. Only 35 records actually in this set. Was just a test to check out the functionality of the negative button. And again, you can run the orders of magnitude. These are very spread out, and you can see why. The range is from 3 to 558,896, all spread out. The standard deviation is very large, meaning the data set is all spread out. So it's all spread out amongst these magnitudes, the bulk of it being on these two. So that basically how you would use the version 3.1.0. Thank you again for watching.